How to create your first explainer animation with using After Effects. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will teach you how to create this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's select this background solid layer and lock. Select these layer plants. Let's select this leaf 8, 7, 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's see. Okay, also select this lion and let's right mouse, pre-compose, add name plant, click OK. Then select these character elements, select these hand 2 and finger, phone, hand, body, eyes, head, and let's see. Okay, let's right mouse, pre-compose, add name character, click OK. So in this time select this background and lock layer, open character composition and select this hand layer. I will use manual way for make rigging character. Select this hand 2, go to solo and go to pen behind icon, move the anchor point here, clickation tool and unsolo. And select this hand 2, link to body. And select this body, go to solo. And again go to pen behind, move the anchor point down. Clickation tool and unsolo. So right now we can change rotation with body and hand layer. And select this hand right layer, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Clickation tool, unsolo. So select this phone, link to hand, select this finger, link to hand layer. And say finger, go to solo, let's zoom in finger layer, go to pen behind, move the anchor point down for change rotation, clickation tool and unsolo. So in this time let's select this hand and move to behind body and link to body layer. And select this eyes, link to head, select head, link to body. And select this head, go to solo and again move the anchor point down. Clickation tool, unsolo. And let's press R, let's see. Okay, we can move to down a little bit body. Okay, that's good. So right now let's back to main composition. And select this character, go to solo and move the anchor point down. Clickation tool and unsolo, open composition and go to this icon, region of interest. Select this region like this and go to composition. Let's use crop contour region of interest. Clickation tool, back to main composition and put here. Let's also go to again pan behind, move the anchor point here, clickation tool and move to down. So right now let's back to character and select this body, press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this, make rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change rotation like this to back. Again go to 10 keyframes, change rotation, again change like this and select keyframes, make easies. And let's go to here, select work area 10 seconds, press N and right mouse, select work area here. Okay, nice. And back to main composition, let's see here. Okay, so let's press P and make new pattern keyframe, move to left and go to some keyframes, move to back. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay. And select last keyframe, move to left. Move to left more. Okay, so go to middle and move to down a little bit. Okay, so select this chair and let's go to first second, press P, make new pattern keyframe and move to left. And go to here, move to right. And go to last keyframe, move to right more. And select keyframes, make easies. Also, let's go to here, press N for select 10 seconds. Okay, that's good. So, select these keyframes and move to here. Nice, and select this hand 1, go to solo, move the anchor point down. Click session tool, unsolo, and select this hand 2, let's link to hand 1, and go to hand 2 solo. Move the anchor point again down. Click session tool, unsolo, and let's see, press R. Okay, nice, and select this product layer, product 2, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click session tool, and let's link to product layer, select product layer and move the anchor point down. Click session tool, and select this product layer, link to hand 2, select hand 2, link to hand 1, and select hand 1. Let's press P and move to left. Make new pattern keyframe, go to here and move to right like this. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Right now, hold Shift, press R, make rotation keyframe and change rotation like this. Go to here and change -10. Go to 10 keyframes, change 5 or 3, or let's change 8. Go to 10 keyframes, change -4, and 10 keyframes, change 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, nice. And right now, let's select this hand 1, hand 2, product 2, and product layer. Right mouse, pre-compass, add name, product, order. Click OK, and in this time go to pen tool. Let's make like this mask. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's press M and click inverted. Okay, let's fix mask tool. Let's change this part like this. Okay, add new line here. And change these points. Okay, not bad. Click session tool and go to here. Let's select this product compensation and move to here. So let's open compensation and select this product 2 layer. Press R and make new rotation keyframe, move to left. And let's change rotation like this. Go to 10 keyframes, change rotation, again change like this. So select keyframes, make easies. Okay, not bad. Back to main compensation. Nice. So in this time, let's select this market, wheel 2, wheel 1, and let's see. Okay, right mouse, pre-compass, add name, shopping, click OK, and open compensation. Let's select work area, select this region of interest, select like this, go to compensation and crop contour region of interest. And select this market, go to pen behind, move the anchor point down, click session 2. Let's move to left like this, Clickation tool again and press R. Make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this. Change -15. Go to 10 keyframes, change 7. Go to 10 keyframes again, change -3. Go to 10 keyframes, change 1, and 10 keyframes, change 0. So there are more keyframes for bones animation, and 3 keyframes make easies. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's right mouse, go to compensation settings and change width size a little bit like this. Click OK. Okay, not bad. So close compensation, go to shopping and move to left. Okay, let's open shopping compensation and select this market. Let's hold shift, press P. Go to here, make new passing keyframe, move to left and go to next keyframe. Move to like this. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. Select rotation keyframes, move to right. Nice. And select these wheels. And go to here, press P, make new passing keyframe, go to back and move to left. Select keyframes, make easies. Okay, you can change keyframes like this, or select this, move to right. Okay, that's good. Close compensation, and let's see here. And let's press S, make scale keyframe, go to back, change scale 0. Select keyframes, make easies. And select this pen behind. Move to left is anchor point, clickation tool. Let's again. Let's move to right these keyframes. Okay, nice. So move to right this compensation and select this circle. And move to right, press S, change scale 0, make scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, change 110 or 120, go to 10 keyframes again and change 95. Let me show other way for go to 10 keyframes, click time duration, right plus 10, click OK and change 105, go to 10 keyframes, change 100%. Select keyframes and make easies. Let's go to solo. Okay, that's good. So let's see here and select this circle. Let's move to right for better timing and select these circle lines. Move to here, press R and hold Alt, click this time duration for open expressions. Let's write here wiggle to 6 and let's see. Go to solo. Okay, let's edit this expression, change 15 and this 3. Okay, nice. So let's unsolo and select the circle line, link to circle. And move to right. Okay, that's good. So let's close settings and select this line. Go to again pen behind, move the anchor point down and clickation tool. Move to right, press S, click this icon, change scale 0, make scale keyframe and go to 5 keyframes, change 100%. And select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Let's move to left. Okay, select keyframe, move to left for fast animation. Okay, so right now select the circle line and circle shopping, move to left after this line animation. Okay, nice. So select this circle, press S, select this scale keyframes, copy and go to circle and go to first second, Ctrl V for paste and move to right. And select this check icon, move to right, also Ctrl V for scale keyframes and move to right. Okay, that's good. And select these check, shopping, circle and circle, lion and circle again. And let's move to left. Okay, nice. Go to 7 seconds, press N and select full composition work area. Okay, let's open character again and select this hit. Go to here, press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this, and go to here, change like this, and go to next keyframe, change again, and here, and 0. Make keyframes easy. Okay, so go to here and let's make body keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, change rotation like this. And here make new hit keyframe, go to some keyframes, chain like this for look phone, and select this hand. Go to here, press R, make rotation keyframe, chain rotation, and go to here, chain like this, and next keyframe. So there are more random keyframes. You can make your keyframes also like you. And 3 keyframes make easies. Let's see. Nice. And select this hit, go to here, hold shift, press P, make new passing keyframe for add bones, go to middle and move to down and go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste and make keyframes easies. Let's see this part. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt, move to left, and body keyframe, move to left. Okay, that's good. So select these eyes and go to here, press S, click this icon, make scale keyframe, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, change scale 5, go to 3 keyframes again, 1 to 3, change 100%, and make keyframes easies. And copy keyframes, go to here, Ctrl V, and here Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. Back to main composition. Okay. And after look phone, we can again look to up this character. And let's make body keyframe, go to 10 keyframes and change rotation like this. And go to here, make new hit keyframe, go to again next keyframe, change rotation for look up. And let's select this hand layer, make new rotation, go to here and change rotation like this. Let's see. Nice. So select this hand 2 layer and press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this, and go to here, change like this hand, and again change for random keyframes. Okay, go to here and change rotation full down. And change again. Okay, and right now let's make new rotation keyframe, go to here and change hand to up. Okay, let's see here. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.